I'm now going to show an example of how to set up a more flexible row and column numbering system for the page. So we're going to start by actually using Control A to select all, right click and explode the page, and then remove these manual numbers that go around the edge of the page. So I'm going to hold down W for window, and I'm going to select from right to left, so that's a passing box so that we select anything that's in there. I'm then going to use Control A, right click and block, and save this as a page template, a title block. So this is now ready for saving. But what we're going to do now is go into the page properties, so under Home, Page Properties, scroll down for the page template for the sections, and we're going to now set up the information so that we can use auto-generated rows and columns. So firstly, we're going to set up an area which leaves a border on the top and the left. These auto numbers always come on the outside of the red box. So we're then going to go into auto-generate columns, define a symbol, and then we're going to search in the list of symbol catalogs, and you should have a system catalog, and standard sheet should be the one that we're looking for. And we're going to go into column, and we'll choose, I think, column right. Click on OK, and I'm going to choose the same thing for all of those. You can choose different ones and you can set up your own symbols. I'm now going to set it up to have just 8 columns. I'm going to re-index that, and I'm going to click OK, and automatically I've now got 8 columns across the top from 0 to 7. F3 to zoom extents. I'm now going to go back into the page settings, and I'm going to set up the rows. So I'm going to go to auto generate rows, define symbol, and again I'm going to search in the system standard sheet, and I'm going to choose row. I'm going to choose row middle for this one. Not the best formatting, but it will do for now. And I'm going to say that we're going to have, in fact I'm going to put that to 1 column for now, and I'm going to put in there, double click on the left, I'm going to set this to be A on the left hand side, and double click in the middle to say that I want #C and #R, so that I get the column and the row name in the referencing. I'm now going to set up that I want, let's say 8 rows, refresh, and I'm going to say I want 12 columns and refresh. I'm going to click on OK, and I've now got automatically the right referencing down the left hand side and across the top. If I want to save that, I simply go to File, Save As, hover over there and choose Page Template, and I type in A3 12 times 10 page format. Just to test that out, we'll go into Favorites, place in a relay coil, place in a contact, and we should be able to see that's in 1E. And if I move this, it's gone up to 1B, and you can see the referencing working perfectly well.